宣城质文 Handicraft Company Limited is a factory that can provide OEM services, and we have provided customized services for many customers. Today, I will share with you the sample customization process of our factory. The customer should send us the selected style, and we will tell you the detailed product information. If there are new customers who don't know our candle style, they can also tell us their leads for candles, and we will recommend them according to their leads. The most professional perfumer we worked with can provide personalized customization of fragrance for each customer according to the customer's demand for fragrance. We will outline the specification line of the packaging box and the label for the customer according to the product size of the customer. The customer can fill the design elements into the specification line, and then we will take the final design draft confirmed by the customer as the sample template to sample the package box and the label. Of course, there is any need to adjust the design manuscript. The designer of our design department will be responsible for helping you adjust it. The above is the general process of sample customization. If you have any customization requirements, please contact us and we will provide you with the sample customization services for free.